One thing I think founders often underestimate is that not all hires carry the same weight. Some roles are important, but others genuinely change the pace and trajectory of the company.
Exactly. In scaling businesses, a small number of hires have disproportionate impact. The right engineer or leader can accelerate product velocity. The right GTM hire can unlock revenue. The right product person can bring clarity, focus, and execution where things were previously fragmented.
And what you quickly discover is that those key hires don't just improve output in their own lane. They raise the standard around them, and they change how teams work, how quickly decisions get made, and how much confidence the business has in what comes next. And we know that A players hire A players, and so it sets cultures and it sets the tone.
And that's why these roles need to be treated differently. They're not just vacancies to fill, they're leverage points. And the cost of getting one of them wrong is not just about hire, it's lost momentum, it's delayed execution, and in some cases the difference between you shipping the product first, not your competitor.
And the best founders understand that instinctively. Some have to learn it the hard way. But they know when a role is simply adding capacity and an essential growth, and when a role is adding a real capability that's going to take the company in a different direction. And that second group deserves a different level of attention and sophistication in their recruiting process.
Yes, exactly, because these hires are often the hardest to define and the hardest to find. They usually sit at the intersection of skills, judgment, experience, and company stage fit. So traditional hiring channels are not great at surfacing that kind of person because they tend to optimize for familiarity, keywords, and volume.
So often founders find themselves asking not like, who do we need next? It's what hire, if we got it right, would really change what this business can do and set us up for success in our next stage of growth.
And that's the takeaway. Your founders often underestimate this, but the right hire can change the pace, quality, and trajectory of their entire business.